In this tutorial, we will explore the use of children hit points, a method to extend the functionality of Drakkar HitPoints to longer objects, such as a sword blade. In our scene, we have prepared a character equipped with a sword and a target to cut, which has a cutting animation and is already set up exactly as in the previous tutorial. We start by placing a hit point at the tip of the sword. Its radius is adjusted to be neither too large nor too small. This hit point uses a hit point definition set to cast and has an interpolation ×2. Next, we duplicate it to create 2 more along the blade. Remember, the empty space between one hit point sphere and the next must be smaller than the size of the smallest collider we want to be hit. That's because we don't want to use too many hit points for performance reasons. On the main hit point, we add the new hit points to the children hit points array, and we will see them turn green. Our goal is to control a single hit point, which will then cascade its checks to all its children. The script on our character implements iHitCaster and is very similar to what we saw in the previous tutorial. We only reference the main hit point in addition to the animator. Now, let's test everything and confirm that the target is cut by the sword when pressing a key. For further details, refer to the Drakkar HitPoints documentation.